Empires of age, scattered in some captured corners, moving like lonely stars. Numerous kingdoms rose the tide, filled the world with bloody wars. Hunger, sickness, death, and fear tied to lot of common men. Whim of ruler hit the heights, tended terror and frolic ran. From the ashes of tense turmoil appeared there Cyrus the Great, with will and wisdom and peace and power brought in order to tottered land. Land of Europa and land of light craved for mercy in single tire, groaning, grieving, mankind hearing rumbles of a great empire. First time mankind had some peace. At first time had defined laws. Quest for learning and zest for travel flew to freedom from cruel jaws. Fine attire, roaring business, beauty of the big barge, from the den of Persepolis, writ of Darius ran at large, finding the world a copy of hell. The Creator felt much jeered, shed a drop of blissful blood. He named it love and disappeared. Time, the great accounts keeper, remains dishonest, unrestrained. When and whose check gets dishonored, all predictions fail and change. No leave for mercy, no love for justice, no like for appeal, no consideration, scopes of disdain, arrogance. There turns the man with no sensation. Blackening skies from the west and roaring rumbles from the east, icy winds from the north to south made the kingdom full of beasts. With hordes of Greece and flattering hopes, the sons of gods ran through the space. Power, might, and glee of Darius fell to pieces and lost the grace. Charm and love, lust for power, wealth and beauty and pomp and state, burning turrets of Persepolis heralded the hero Alexander Great. On the ashes of empire, new ones rose the glory of Greece, getting dishonored checks from time. Youth group spectre lay in peace, willing his palms to be out of wrapping. Willings his palms to be out of wrapping, the emperor gave a quaint message. Man comes, stays, and leaves the world with empty hands to time's rage. Mauryans, Guptas, Hans, and Chins had great empires in the east. They vied to create a golden age that differ man from the beast. Spices, silk, and gorgeous clothes, edicts to regulate life of man. Ashoka the Great even banned hunting, gave respite to harried clans. Travelers, traders, and talisman joined hands for calm and peace. Step by step, The race of men was marching onward, land and seas. Romans took the relay with baton, pushed the Greeks and ran with jests. Rome, with home of hoovers and genius, lone empire in the west. Land of Judah, blessed Israel, reels to giant Goliath's might. Gurgling, fuming, fretting, horror, dared them to match the fight. All doors shut, and muted voice, none would face his wild power. Rain of terror lashing the tide, heaps of insults were only showered. Giants roaring day and night made life a hellish lay. Shock and shame and fear alike ruled the roost in dreadful day. Tiny David. Tiny David, the loveliest child, asked terror to leave the land. The giant laughed with hateful leer, shook the heavy club in hand. With blinding rage, the giant rushed to smite the nimble, gentle boy. Pulling his string of sling together, David hurled a stone with joy. The whistling missile did not miss. It hit the giant right eyes. With shock and pain in rush and tandem, brought a deafening roar and cry. Grunts and roars and hoarsing cry. Volley of shots on giant's head brought the end to fatal flight, felled the giant Goliath dead. Faith in him and sense of pride makes the small and powerful mate. Sing his praise and ask for mercy. Keep in mind that God is great. David in turn became the king and united the Hebrew band. Want to build a temple to God, but failed, for wars and blood were on hand. When end was near, all was clear. Solomon, the son, saw pain in eyes. He promised the temple and to fight. Then sire blessed him and bade goodbye. Shine like the brightest sun and sing life's sweetest song. Even among the triest time, blessed may you live lifelong. For piety, peace with promise and grace. For love and life and wisdom of state. For gifts and gleans to law and justice. Still remember Solomon the Great.